everyone! Welcome back to Travel Wisdom. If you're a solo female traveler or planning to become one, you're in the right place. Traveling alone can be an incredible experience, offering freedom and adventure, but it's important to stay safe while you're on the go. In today's video, we're diving into essential safety tips to help you have a secure and enjoyable journey. From smart packing to staying aware of your surroundings, we've got you covered. So, let's get started and make sure your solo travels are as safe as they are memorable. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment which tips you will be using. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description. Now, let's get started. Research your destination. Before you travel, learn about the local customs, laws, and safety concerns of your destination. This includes understanding cultural norms, the political climate, and common safety issues. Check government travel advisories, read travel blogs, and join forums to get recent updates and tips from other travelers. Stay in female-only dorms. Staying in female-only dorms can make solo female travelers feel safer and more comfortable. It's a good way to avoid unwanted attention, and it creates a friendly environment with other women who understand your concerns. You'll likely find it easier to connect with others and feel more relaxed in a space where everyone shares similar experiences. Share your itinerary. Inform friends or family of your travel plans and check in with them regularly. Send them your flight details, accommodation addresses, and key activities. Regular updates reassure loved ones and provide them with a point of contact in case of emergencies. Keep important documents safe. Store your passport, visa, and other essential documents securely. Use a hotel safe, a money belt, or a travel pouch. Avoid carrying these documents in your main bag or purse. Carry a copy of documents. Have photocopies of important documents separate from the originals. Keep these copies in a different location, such as in a hidden compartment of your luggage, to help in case of theft or loss. Use trusted accommodation. Choose lodging with positive reviews from reliable sources. Research accommodations on reputable travel websites and look for reviews from solo female travelers. Consider staying in well-known chains or well-reviewed hostels and hotels. Check safety reviews. Read reviews about your accommodation and transportation options to ensure they're safe. Look for comments about safety, cleanliness, and the responsiveness of staff. Avoid places with numerous negative safety reviews. Avoid flashy jewelry. Wear minimal and understated jewelry to avoid attracting attention. Simple accessories reduce the risk of theft and help you blend in better with the local population. An even better idea is to avoid them completely. Blend in. Dress in a manner that respects local customs and helps you blend in. Research local dress codes and norms. Dressing similarly to locals can help you avoid standing out as a tourist and reduce the risk of being targeted. Stay alert. Be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded or unfamiliar areas. Avoid distractions like looking at your phone or map in busy areas. Keep your belongings secure and be mindful of who is around you. Use reputable transportation. Opt for licensed taxis or rideshare services rather than hailing cabs off the street. Use apps like Uber or Lyft for ride-hailing and verify the driver's details before getting in. For taxis, use official taxi stands or services recommended by your accommodation. Avoid walking alone at night. Stick to well-lit and populated areas after dark. Use public transportation or ride-shares if you need to travel at night. Avoid isolated streets and areas that are not busy with people. Trust your instincts. Listen to your gut feelings and remove yourself from situations that feel uncomfortable or unsafe. If something seems off, or if someone makes you feel uneasy, trust your instincts and seek safety, whether that means leaving a situation or finding help. Use locks and safety gadgets. Adding an extra lock or using safety gadgets can be a smart move for solo female travelers. Extra locks, like portable door jambs or latch locks, enhance security by making it harder for someone to enter your room when you're inside. Safety gadgets, such as personal alarms or doorstop alarms, can alert you or others if someone tries to break in, giving you time to react. A personal alarm is a great tool for female solo travelers because it helps enhance safety by drawing attention if you're in danger. It works by emitting a loud, high-pitched sound when activated, which can scare off potential threats and alert people nearby that you need help. This can be particularly useful in emergency situations or if you feel threatened, as the noise can quickly attract attention and make you less of a target. These added layers of protection help you feel more secure and can deter potential intruders, especially when you're staying in unfamiliar places. Using a selfie stick. Using a selfie stick is a smart safety tip for female solo travelers because it allows you to take your own photos without needing to ask strangers for help. This reduces the risk of your phone being stolen by someone you don't know and keeps you in control of your personal space. It also helps you avoid potentially awkward or unsafe situations where you might have to interact with people you're not familiar with. With a selfie stick, you can capture your memories securely and confidently while traveling alone. Additionally, since the phone is attached to the selfie stick, it's less likely to be dropped or left behind accidentally, which means you won't be stranded without your phone. Keep your phone charged. Ensure your phone is always charged and carry a portable charger. A fully charged phone can be a lifesaver, crucial for navigation, communication, and emergency situations. Portable chargers ensure you don't run out of battery while on the go. Have emergency contacts. Keep a list of local emergency numbers and contacts. Save important numbers like local police, your embassy, and emergency services in your phone, and write them down in case your phone dies or gets lost. Be cautious with alcohol. Drink responsibly and never leave your drink unattended. Keep an eye on your drink and never accept drinks from strangers. Alcohol can impair judgment and make you more vulnerable to theft or assault. Learn basic local phrases. Learn how to ask for help, directions, and basic greetings. This can make interactions smoother and help in emergencies. Avoid sharing personal information. Be cautious about divulging personal details to strangers. Keep information like your hotel's location, travel plans, and personal details private to avoid potential risks. The only people who needs to know this information is trusted friends and family, who can help you if anything goes wrong. Use a trusted guide. If you need a guide, choose a reputable company with good reviews. Research guides and tour operators in advance. Look for companies that are well-reviewed and recommended by other travelers. Stay in safe areas. Research and select accommodations in safe neighborhoods. Look up crime rates and safety reports for neighborhoods before booking. Opt for areas known for being secure and well-traveled. Keep emergency cash. Have some local currency and emergency cash separate from your main wallet. Store emergency cash in a separate location, such as a hidden compartment in your luggage or a secure pocket, in case of theft or loss of your wallet. Use apps wisely. Install safety and travel apps that can help you navigate and stay informed. Apps like offline maps, emergency services locators, and translation tools can be invaluable. Make sure they are downloaded and set up before you travel. Consider wearing a wedding ring. Wearing a ring on your wedding finger can be a useful tactic for female solo travelers to help ward off unwanted attention. Many people interpret a wedding ring as a symbol of being married or in a relationship, which can signal to others that you are less available or not interested in social advances. This subtle gesture may help deter unwanted interactions or attention from strangers, allowing you to travel more comfortably and focus on enjoying your trip. Don't display overt wealth. Avoid displaying obvious signs of wealth, such as using designer luggage or wearing expensive jewelry. Secure your belongings. Use locks for your bags and keep them within sight. Lock your luggage when unattended and keep important items close to you. Avoid placing bags on the ground or leaving them unattended. Be careful with social media. Avoid posting your exact location in real time. Wait until after you've left a location to share your whereabouts on social media. This helps protect your privacy and reduces the risk of being tracked. Understand local scams. Be aware of common scams and avoid falling victim to them. Research common scams in your destination, such as fake charities or overly friendly strangers. Be skeptical of offers that seem too good to be true. Keep your hotel room secure. Use the hotel's safety features to secure your belongings. Lock the door when you're inside. Use the room safe for valuables. And check that windows and other entry points are secure. Carry a whistle. A whistle can be useful for drawing attention if you feel threatened. Keep a whistle handy, especially when traveling alone or in unfamiliar areas. It can help alert others if you're in distress. Have a plan for getting lost. Know how to get back to your accommodation and have a map or navigation app handy. Familiarize yourself with your accommodation's location and carry a map or navigation app to help you find your way if you get lost. Be cautious with new acquaintances. Avoid going to unfamiliar places with people you've just met. While meeting new people can be fun, be cautious about accepting invitations to private places or traveling with strangers you've just met. Check for local safety alerts. Stay updated on local news and safety alerts during your trip. Monitor news sources and local advisories for any safety warnings or important updates about your area. Apps and websites that provide local safety information can be useful. Use a local SIM card. Get a local SIM card to ensure you have reliable communication. A local SIM card allows you to make calls and use data without incurring high international roaming charges. It also helps ensure you can contact emergency services if needed. Avoid overly friendly strangers. Be wary of people who seem excessively friendly or intrusive. Some individuals might have ulterior motives. Trust your instincts and avoid sharing personal details with people who approach you in a way that feels uncomfortable. Stay positive and confident. Maintain a positive attitude and confidence in your surroundings. Projecting confidence can deter potential threats and help you navigate new environments more easily. A positive outlook contributes to a safer and more enjoyable travel experience. Have a backup plan. Know alternative ways to get around or find help if your plans go awry. Plan for unexpected situations by having alternative routes, transportation options, and accommodation contacts. Being prepared helps you handle disruptions more effectively. Be mindful of cultural differences. Respect local customs and traditions to avoid misunderstandings. Understanding and following local customs shows respect and helps you avoid offending locals. It also helps you blend in better and navigate social situations more smoothly. Stay hydrated and eat well. Maintain your health to stay alert and safe. Drink plenty of water and eat balanced meals to keep your energy levels up. Staying well hydrated and nourished helps you stay focused and aware. Join group tours. Consider joining group tours for added safety and companionship. Group tours can provide a safer way to explore, especially in unfamiliar places. They offer the benefit of a guide and a group of people to travel with. Use ATMs wisely. Choose ATMs in well-lit and secure areas. Avoid using ATMs that are in isolated or poorly lit areas. Opt for machines located inside banks or busy areas to reduce the risk of theft or skimming. Don't hitchhike. Avoiding hitchhiking or accepting rides from strangers is an important safety tip for female solo travelers. Hitchhiking or getting into a car with someone you don't know can put you at significant risk because you have no way of verifying the driver's intentions or background. By using reliable and official transportation methods like taxis, rideshare services, or public transit, you ensure a higher level of safety. Official services are more regulated and often offer better security measures, reducing the risk of dangerous situations and helping you travel more safely. Remain calm. Don't panic. If something goes wrong, take a few deep breaths, find a safe place or a trustworthy person, and then assess the situation. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching our solo travel safety tips for women. We hope these insights help you feel more confident and secure on your adventures. Remember, staying prepared and aware is key to enjoying your travels to the fullest. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow travelers. Don't forget to comment which safety tip that you will use, and feel free to check out the links in the description. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.